Hello and welcome back everybody to our very spiffing YouTube channel.
We are still on the Route de Crête in France. In France. And it is far from that. It's amazing. And we've got ourselves the most amazing view for tonight. Here's a little sneak preview. So we left you on the side of the road on Saturday morning watching the motorbikes go by, and we headed off up into the mountains and it was heaving.
So reach out, reach out, reach out, and we'll share it. I know what I want.
Bank holiday Saturday and it was too busy, so we went down into a big town called Gérardmer.
Are you still with us? I'm not.
And that was busy too.
Okay, so very busy.
Very busy. Okay. So stay with us. So then we went up to a ski resort where there was hardly anybody there, dedicated motorhome parking, and we spent the night up there.
It was €8 to park up, €2 for a token to get water. We needed alt services, so €10, not a bad stop. What 3 words going there?
It's a very good feeling, yeah, yeah. So reach out, reach out, reach out, and we'll share it.
So with our services all done, we headed off back up the Route de Crête to find a view for the night.
Spirit, take me from this place, or let me run free. Place me right within a view beneath the tallest tree. Let the vain and proud drown within their vanity. Soften now, soften now. Spirit, take me from this place, or let me run free. Place me right within a view beneath the tallest tree. Let the vain and proud drown within their vanity. Soften now, soften now.
Another, as predicted, really good park up. Just seems to be everything we find here is just good for one reason or another. Beautiful view. Quiet overnight once all motorbikes are gone. It is on a really busy tourist route and leisure driving, riding route, but spot on, fabulous. Where are we going now?
We're heading down into that valley, driving along there, back into Lorraine, and then going to find another park up.
Tally ho!
This is what bank holiday is in a small French village, absolutely deserted. Just nobody here, not a soul.
No, it's just us.
Oh, you can feel it, can't you? Come here, bud, you're alright. It's okay. So this is the little tiny town of La Bourgance, perhaps is how it's pronounced.
Something not Bournons.
You do test my editing skills. So yesterday we left the mountains of the Vosges and actually came back down into Lorraine. We're on a mission to get to Nancy, so this was a
lot
nice,
of nonsense in this video.
This was a nice little halfway stop. It was sweltering yesterday, and then we had the most terrific thunder and lightning storm I think we've ever seen.
Yeah,
It was crashing down all around us, you know, lightning hitting the ground in the mountains. I'm glad we weren't up there. So today we're off to get a baguette in town, and now that the world has reawakened after bank holiday weekend, there's a little bit more going on.
Yeah, this park up's been spot on. There's not what to do here. We're just going to walk into town and get a baguette. That literally all there is, but it's levelish ground. It was really quiet overnight once the church bells have stopped, because they go every 15 minutes until 10 p.m.
Yeah.
and then start again at 6 a.m. Nice. There's also a free service point, so it's really good.
So we are just off this map here, and we're heading up somehow to Nancy, which is up here, and we're going to be going to the air that's on the port. There's only 18 spaces, so we don't know whether we'll get on or not.
Take the second right.
And then in there, yeah.
Arrive at your destination.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have reached your destination.
Well, the man at the Catalonia lived up to his reputation. He was lovely, and he's given us a really nice map and told us where to go.
We should have told him where to go. He's given us just loads of walking around buildings.
So we are here. We're going to walk up and go to the Jardin, the 3 sites of the UNESCO, and then along this historic route. And then tonight we go back there at 10:45 for the light show. A light show, 10:45, late night. You want a boat, don't you?
I do want a boat. When we get divorced and split up money, I'm going to have a boat.
Are you really? Have at it. And a massive bon anniversary to our favourite niece, Melissa.
Yes, Melissa Latham reminds me of poo.
Happy 15th, Melissa, and by the time you see this, you'll be in Gay Paris. So I hope you have a fantastic time.
Happy birthday, kid.
So this is the first of the UNESCO squares, Plaster Alliance.
It's 5 words and a half an hour. If I don't see your heart, I won't see.
And this is the second square, Place Stanislas.
Climbing up through trees and towers, trying to find out what is.
King without a kingdom. And this is the third square of the UNESCO.
3 in one afternoon.
Can't beat it.
Fell into your dreams. No one's left around me. Future is all around, the past is the present, hidden in the sky.
So those are the sugar bars that this patisserie is famous for, and that cake there, which is €30. So I don't think we're buying that. So one of the things I was excited to try in Nancy were the sweet passions, and we've been to one of the patisseries that makes their own special variety. So here we have their own secret recipe for the San Evry cake or whatever, which is meringue with a vanilla centre, and the Nancy macaron. That one is Mirabelle and that is caramel, I think. So we're going to try them. Nice, isn't it? This is delicious. Night out on the town. 20 minutes to go until the light show. Any second now. Well, what a stunning city Nancy is. I absolutely loved it. No tat shops, just pure sophistication, and then the light
Till we turned up.
and then the light show in the evening was just lovely. Yeah, you must come if you're in this area.
The park up was good too. €18, a bit spicy, but there's all services there, and it's just a means to an end if you want to get into the city. I think it's the only park up really, unless you're trying for street parking, and you won't have any success. Bear in mind, you're really crammed in. If you can't parallel park your motorhome, turn up lunchtime. If you're going to rock up at 5 o'clock, you'll be parallel parking your 7.5 metre in something that's probably only 8 metres as far as a bay goes. Noisy at night, still noisy at 2 o'clock this morning, and then it went quiet, but means to an end, so it's good.
Well, that's it for this vlog. We hope you've enjoyed what we've been up to this time.
Thanks for watching, thanks for taking part. Keep the banter bantering.
And we're off to find a place that's named after Andrew.
Sexy.